Today you and I are building gift wish lists. Hey everyone, welcome back to Fashion Fridays. It's your host, Lindsey. Today we're going to talk about building wish lists on the Live Justice app. Once you're on the Live Justice app, there's a couple different ways to access, create, and use your wish list. You can access your wish list simply by hitting the button second from the left in the bottom of your screen. It says wish list on it and has a heart. Once you hit the button, your completed wish list will pop up, and you can view them. Or you can go to the bottom of the screen, hit the blue button, and browse the catalog. This is how you shop. Once you hit browse products, you'll see a bunch of categories where you can shop in. I already have a lot of my wish list set up, so I normally just go to new arrivals to see some new things. I need to do some shopping and get some holiday ideas for my friends and my BFF. While you're browsing, you can tap an item for more of a description about it. And while you're there, you can press the heart icon and you can save it to one of your wish lists from there. In order to heart an item, you just press the heart icon in the corner of the picture or the description. If you have hearted one or multiple items, just press the blue button at the bottom of the page when you think you are done shopping. This will save them to a wish list of your choice. Once you have your items in a wish list, you have them organized and saved and ready to share if you want. I'm gonna share mine with my mom so she knows what to buy me and my friends. Once you feel you're ready to share your wish list, view your wish list by just tapping on it, and then you can scroll down to the bottom of the screen and it'll have a blue button that says share your wish list, and just click that and type in the appropriate email and send it, and then you're done. And hopefully you'll be getting exactly what you want soon. So now time to shop for my BFF. And I know she really has her mind set on getting a new backpack, so let's shop there. Right now I'm looking under the bags category and I'm finding a lot of stuff she'll definitely like. I have a couple ideas, so I'm gonna go ahead and heart them and save them for later. There is also another feature that makes making wish lists really easy. It is one of my new and most favorite features. Once you're on the home page, you can't miss it, and it says swipe to fave. Click on that button. So once you're on it, it'll show you pictures of different products, and it has the options later and love it, and if you press the love it button, it'll save to your swipe to fave wish list. OMG guys, this is the exact skirt I tried on the fashion show, and I loved it. So I'm definitely gonna love it. Be right back, I'm gonna do this for a few minutes. And that's how you build your own wish list. Pretty neat, huh? I hope you enjoyed building wish lists with me. I certainly did. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more holiday fun this season. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. And don't forget, smiles are always in fashion.